Hello, guys. It is so good to be back. I'm back here in Vegas now. I just got back from Wisconsin 2 days ago, and it is hot here in Vegas. It's good to be back though. I've been looking forward to this. I drank an entire ocean in Wisconsin. It was a lot of fun, but there was no way I was posting any videos while under the influence. Don't do it. It comes out pretty funky. What we're going to be talking about in this segment is going to be very helpful to everybody who watches this, and I'm going to try to fit it all into 15 minutes or less. Okay. What we're going to talk about is lead magnets, landing pages, and email integration. Okay. This is extremely important for capturing your leads, and something that I didn't really figure out for the first couple years that I did affiliate marketing was by sending your visitors to your website directly to a link on, like, let's say an Amazon affiliate. You were giving Amazon the most important part of your entire sales process or your affiliate process, which was their contact information, right? Like you want to capture those leads. So what I started figuring out is how to kind of integrate into that. And I'm going to show you how to do this extremely cost effectively. A lot of you know that I don't use ClickFunnels. I love ClickFunnels. It's awesome. And what I'm going to show you doesn't have the power of ClickFunnels, but it doesn't cost you $100 or $300 a month either. It costs you, I think, like $60, $50 a year, $40 a year, something like that. So this is really, really nice. Okay. So what we're going to do first and foremost is you are going to go to a website called Inbound Now. INBOUNDNOW.com. Inbound Now. You'll see it right there. Inboundnow.com. Go there, and you are going to go to add-ons. And we are going to, let's just go to, just click this one. You know what? I want to just scroll through here because I want to see what they have. Well, you know what? Let's just grab this right away. So this is going to be the one you want. For the most part, I use video landers for pretty much every one of my websites or my lead magnets. So here's a great way to drive traffic to your website. First and foremost, we always are funneling into our website, right? Like you always want to bring people from somewhere to the website. That's your main spot. So videos are an excellent way to do that. Let's just click the details, see what this is all about. So let's see. Yeah, wow, okay. So yeah, this is actually a lot cheaper, I think, now than what it was when I bought it. So you can get the license for 10 sites for just $45, one site for $15. And I think that's billed annually. So yeah, so you're paying $15 a year for this. For one site, or for 10 sites, you can pay $45, which I should probably do. Yeah, so anyways, this is basically as simple as it looks. Let's look at a demo of this really, really quick. And I'll actually show you one of the ones that I have set up for one of my sites. This is exactly what it looks like. So, and you can change all of this. Like you can change the background color. You can mess with the form down here. You can do all that. You can mess with all of it. It's really, really easy. And then this is what's going to pop up. You'll get a video right here. Like one of mine is like for fashion design because I do fashion design as well. So it's a course that I wrote on how to kind of become a successful or create a successful clothing line and actually make money on automation doing it. This is pretty much it, right? So this is something that you can drive traffic through, like Facebook. If you're running like Facebook ads, you drive traffic directly into your funnel. You get the opt-in right here, and you can do like a redirect to the website, which is awesome. Okay, so this is where a lot of people, and honestly where I got confused when I first started doing this is, okay, I understand that, but how do I have this send the emails of somebody directly to a mailing list that I created? Okay, got you covered there too. So this is what I really like about Inbound Now. Let's go back to add-ons. And I actually just saw it is right here. So let's say you have a MailChimp account is for your mailing service. Some people don't. I do for a couple of my websites. Quite honestly, I'm kind of all over the place, and I actually have a spreadsheet of all of my information because it's getting pretty vast. There is another one in here that I started using. Let me see if I can run into it really, really quick. Here it is. Okay, the Zapier integration. I still don't know if I'm saying that right. Zapier integration. That one is really cool because if you're not familiar with this, what they basically do is you can create a Zap from basically linking from, let's say, for instance, because I have a active campaign account too, so they don't have an active campaign integration in here. Okay. So I was like, okay, well, what do I do now? I need to somehow link. So what Zapier does is it allows you to link from your landing page right here, this, to get the email directly into your active campaign account. So even if you don't have a MailChimp account, you can still do it with this, okay? But let's go back here and let's just say that you do have a MailChimp account. And we're going to view this really, really quick. Close that up. Okay, this is the one that I remember that was a little bit more expensive. Okay, so a single site license is $50 for the MailChimp integration. Still not bad. That's still not bad at all. So now if you have one website, you're at a total of, what was it, $65 now between the last two that we looked at. And this is really, really easy to set up. So I'm actually going to take you, let's go back here. Yeah, and we'll look at this one. So this was a lead magnet that I set up. Okay, let me see if I can. Here we go. Let's just pull it up, just so you can see how it looks. And I don't know if it's. I hope it doesn't autoplay because it annoys me at this point. Screw it. I'll let it. Okay, it doesn't. Thank God. I think Google shut down autoplay or something like that. I'll play it for just a second, just so you can kind of like get an idea of.
Hi guys, my name is Levi, and I
That's
recently
me.
created an e-course on how to start your own clothing line. You might be here right now because you've always liked the idea of starting your own clothing line, or heard about how much money you can make doing it. You just didn't know where to begin.
Okay, you get the point. So basically, this is what a lead magnet is now. What this is doing is enticing people who have always had the notion of creating a clothing company or a clothing line or even just starting like a t-shirt brand. And this is where you get into kind of email marketing too. So this is all free. Like the clothing course or the clothing creation course is free, right? Everything is free. It's tons of value up front, no cost. It builds trust. And on the back end, that's where you start getting into the email marketing. Now I have your email captured, right? If you were interested in this, and then I have email segments written out how to kind of upsell on the back end, whether it be like a website development or whatever it is. I have a couple different front-end offers, back-end offers, and then I even have a subscription offer within my email campaign. So it's pretty cool. So this is just one of my lead magnets, and now getting back to, okay, well, where do these go, right? Where does this go? This is where we are going to set up, like, I'm going to do the MailChimp one just so you can kind of see what that's about. And my recorder is kind of blocking it, so I can't press the back button. Yay. That's okay. Let me go back to the dashboard real quick. And I'm only at 9 minutes right now, so I'm doing really good. I'm showing you guys how to blow through all of this in a very short amount of time. And yeah, you can, like, setting some of this stuff up, yeah, it takes a little bit of time. But once you have it, I mean, you're pretty much set. So once you install this right here, let's go back here. Once you install the MailChimp integration, you're going to have something come up. I believe, you know what, it might actually come up once you download the video landing page. It's going to be this, inbound forms. And I have some different ones set up. We'll again use the clothing brand creation. And yeah, I have some different ones set up for like some clients out here in Vegas. Yeah, so this is where you're going to set up basically your list. And I'm going to pull you down to this right here. enable MailChimp. Once you have the integration with MailChimp downloaded right here, you'll activate the license key. Okay. And then you're going to be able to create your MailChimp list. And you'll actually go to MailChimp.com to do this. And because it's integrated then with your website into MailChimp.com, it'll actually pull these lists directly from your MailChimp account. So yeah, this MailChimp account these are actually within MailChimp. Okay, does that make sense? All of these are within MailChimp.com, and it's linked to this website. So it's really, really cool. So this is an extremely easy way to set up your email integration in a landing page directly to your website for very cheap. I know a lot of people use a couple different ones. This is probably my favorite way to go about this because it just saves a ton of money and it's really not that hard to do, especially after a couple times doing it. I've done this multiple times now, especially for some clients. So definitely give that a try. And remember, when it comes to setting up your lead magnet, always lead with value, right? You always want to give something away to create trust, and it has to be something that people want. You really can't pretend that it's something that you think they want but they don't. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And I did this in 11 minutes and 30 seconds, so I'm proud of myself. I wanted to keep it under 15 minutes because I know some of these videos can get kind of long. If you have any questions, drop it in the group or on my YouTube channel in the comments, and I'll get back to you. As always, thank you guys, and I look forward to seeing some of your websites that you've been setting up. I'm really excited, and I wish you all the best. Thank you, guys.